In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use Pinterest to discover, organize, and plan your DIY projects, helping you get inspired and stay creative. Create a Pinterest account. If you don't have one, visit Pinterest.com or download the Pinterest app and sign up for an account. Search for DIY ideas. Use the search bar to look for DIY projects by typing in keywords like DIY home decor, craft ideas, or recycled crafts. You'll see hundreds of pins from users sharing their projects. Save pins to boards. When you find a project you like, click Save and add it to a board. Boards help you organize your ideas into categories, such as DIY crafts or home improvement projects. Create and organize boards. Organize your boards by specific types of projects, e.g., woodworking, painting, or sewing. You can create a new board by clicking the plus symbol icon and naming it. Explore related ideas. When you click on a pin, Pinterest will show you related ideas and projects. This feature helps you find even more DIY inspiration based on your interests. Follow DIY creators. You can follow users or boards that regularly post DIY content. This will keep your feed filled with fresh ideas and tutorials. Use the Try button. Once you've completed a project you found on Pinterest, you can click the Tried It button to share your experience and provide feedback on the project. That's how you can use Pinterest to discover and organize your DIY projects. Check my links below. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching CyberTheo.